All right, so every time Google comes out with an enhancement on like Docs or Drive or Sheets or something, my immediate reaction is, oh, cool, I'd love to check that out. My second reaction is, but I wonder how it's going to work with all my existing stuff. Because that's the truth, right? The reality is the enhancement may be awesome, but it may require work to actually integrate into sheets and stuff that you already have up and running. So when I saw this and actually tested it, I actually got kind of excited. This is pretty cool. So smart chips, those are the new way of doing drop downs in sheets. They are really, really easy to do, but if you already have a list set up, it's a bit complicated to go in and create a new drop down and stuff like that. But with this enhancement, you can take an existing list of data and actually convert it to smart chips with color coding and stuff really easy. I'll show you how. So here I have a made up sheet that has due dates, departments, project titles, and descriptions, right? So in the department column, I have some departments that appear several different times. Let's say this is for a team who's actually tracking projects that are coming up. So in this case, I can just select all of the listed items. I can then go to right click and go to drop down. So do you see what it did there? It actually took and just did the individual count of each time that the department list showed, and it pre-populated the drop down window over here on the right side so that you can quickly go through, and we'll just add some color codes. And when I do this, I'm going to make one other change because I have the highlighted section, so it's capped at the B2 through B21. In this case, I want this to just apply down because we're going to be adding more projects, more departments, and that kind of thing, and I don't want to have to recreate it at that time. So in this case, I'm just going to take the 21 off of it, which will select the B2 through that whole column. And here we are with the lists. I've now applied color codes, and when I click done, and I'll move myself for a second, and now you can see that entire column now has the color coding, plus because we extended it all the way down, now as we add new projects and due dates and departments, we can just select from the drop-down list. So I thought that was a really cool way of actually giving us the ability to go back and bring these new features directly into existing data we've got. So I hope that helps. Have a good day.